Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Kong Wubba is probably one of the most durable and engaging dog toys on the market, designed to withstand vigorous play and keep your canine companion entertained for hours on end. Its unique design, featuring a tough rubber ball on top and two dangling tails, makes it perfect for a game of fetch, tug-of-war, or simply chewing, providing a multifaceted play experience that caters to a dog's natural instincts. The squeaker inside adds an extra layer of excitement, encouraging active participation and mental stimulation, which is crucial for a happy and healthy dog. Whether your furry friend is a small pup or a large breed, the Kong Wubba offers a satisfying and enriching playtime that promotes exercise and reduces boredom, making it a top choice for pet owners seeking a reliable and fun toy. Number 5. EASTBLUE Squeaky Dog Toys for Aggressive Chewers. Introducing a toy designed for your dog's most vigorous chewing sessions. It's crafted to withstand even the most aggressive chewers, ensuring long-lasting fun. Your dog's health and safety are our top priorities. This toy is made from eco-friendly, non-toxic natural rubber, ensuring a safe and happy playtime. Help your dog satisfy their natural chewing instincts and release pent-up energy. The engaging squeaks and unpredictable movements keep them entertained and active. This durable toy provides hours of entertainment for medium to large breeds. Its design is perfect for interactive play, strengthening the bond between you and your pet. Constructed from tough, natural rubber, this toy is incredibly durable. While no toy is completely indestructible, this comes remarkably close to being the ultimate chew toy. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any quality issues, please reach out to us for a replacement or refund. We're here to help. What we like. If your dog loves to chew and needs an outlet for energy, this is a great choice. Its natural rubber construction and unpredictable bounce will keep them engaged. If you're looking for a durable toy that satisfies their instinctual needs, consider this one. What people say. The Kong Wubba is a great toy for fetch and tug. It is made of durable material and can withstand rough play. The bright colors make it easy to spot in the yard. Number 4. Monster K9 Indestructible Dog Ball. Introducing the virtually indestructible dog ball, designed to be the longest-lasting toy your dog has ever had. If it's not, we offer a refund or a one-time replacement, no questions asked. Engineered for the toughest chewers, this toy is made from a proprietary, solid-core rubber compound. It's tear, puncture, and chew-resistant, yet soft enough for safe play. Crafted from food-safe, non-toxic natural rubber compounded in the USA. It's third-party tested and designed to prevent sharp edges, ensuring your dog's safety. This toy is a trusted choice among police and military K9 units globally, known for its extreme durability and reliability. Proudly made in the USA with premium American natural rubber. A portion of every purchase supports retired police and military K9 heroes. This solid, heavy-duty ball is the perfect size for medium and large breed dogs, ideal for both fetch and chewing. What we like. For the ultimate power chewer, this toy offers unparalleled durability with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If your dog destroys everything else, this is the one to try. If you need a virtually indestructible option trusted by professionals, this is your best bet. What people say. The squeaker is loud and durable, and the tail is great for tugging. My dog loves to fetch this toy, and it holds up well to rough play. The bright colors make it easy to find in the grass. Number 3. Indestructible Dog Ball, Lifetime Replacement. Introducing the ultimate toy for your furry friend. Designed for even the most enthusiastic play, it's built to last. Is your dog an aggressive chewer? This toy is engineered to withstand their toughest challenges, providing endless entertainment. Your pet's safety is our priority. It's made from safe, non-toxic natural rubber, ensuring worry-free playtime. Perfect for both energetic games of fetch and satisfying chewing sessions. It's the versatile toy your dog will adore. We stand by its durability. With a lifetime replacement guarantee, you can be confident in its long-lasting quality. At 3 inches, it's the ideal size, just like a tennis ball, for dogs of all breeds to enjoy. What we like. If you have a dog that is a serious chewer and you want peace of mind, this toy is designed for you. It offers a lifetime replacement guarantee and is made from safe, non-toxic materials. If you're looking for a tough, long-lasting chew and fetch toy, this is a solid option. What people say. The rope is great for tugging and the balls squeak when squeezed. My dog loves to fetch this toy, and it holds up well to rough play. It's a good size for large dogs and easy for them to carry around. Number 2. Large Squeaky Dog Toys Lobster. Keep your dog entertained for hours with this interactive toy. Its exciting sounds and textures stimulate their natural instincts, providing mental stimulation and endless fun. Strengthen your bond with your furry friend through interactive play. This toy encourages healthy exercise and reduces boredom, making playtime a rewarding experience for both of you. Designed for dogs who love to chew, this toy is built to last. Its reinforced stitching and durable rope legs withstand daily chewing while remaining gentle on their teeth and gums. Promote healthy teeth and gums with this versatile toy. The textured rope fibers help clean teeth during chewing, offering both physical activity and comfort. This toy is machine washable for easy cleanup after playtime. It makes a thoughtful gift for any dog, providing lasting joy and enrichment. For the best experience, we recommend supervised play with this toy. If you have any concerns, please reach out to us for a satisfactory solution. What we like. If your dog enjoys interactive play in a variety of textures, this toy is perfect. The squeaker, crinkle paper, and rope legs provide multiple engagement points. If you like playing tug-of-war with your dog and want a toy that encourages exercise and bonding, this is a fun choice. What people say. The squeaker is loud and keeps my dog entertained for hours. The durable material holds up well to chewing and tugging. The erratic bounce makes playtime exciting and unpredictable. Number 1. Kong Wubba XL Dog Toy. Introducing the Kong Wubba, the perfect toy for your furry friend. It's designed for interactive play, making fetch and tug-of-war more engaging than ever. With its long, floppy tails, this toy is ideal for satisfying your dog's natural shaking and tugging instincts. It's great for both interactive sessions and solo play. Crafted with a reinforced nylon exterior and unique ball shapes, it's built to withstand enthusiastic play. Plus, it includes a squeaker to keep your dog entertained. You'll receive one in a random color, adding an element of surprise to every purchase. Discover which vibrant color you'll get with your order. Trust in Kong's commitment to quality, innovating since 1976 to enrich pets' lives. This toy is designed and tested in Golden, Colorado, and backed by our satisfaction guarantee. This version is specifically designed for XL dogs, ensuring a great fit and durable fun for your larger companions during playtime. What we like. If you're looking for a toy that's great for both tugging and fetching, this is an excellent option. Its reinforced nylon exterior and unique shape are designed for interactive play. If you want a toy that encourages your dog's natural shaking and tugging instincts, this is a fantastic choice for indoor or outdoor fun. What people say. This toy is great for fetch and tug. My dog loves to play fetch with this toy. It's a durable toy that my dog can't destroy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.